Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, I am so excited. We are introducing a new box to the channel. It is the Heavenly Blue box, so let's get into it and check it out. This box was sent to us for review. I will put a link down below that will take you over to them. And Heavenly Blue 10, I will put all this down below. You don't have to remember it. We'll get you 10% off your first box. It is a customizable box. If you are an annual member, you customize 6 of your items. If you are a seasonal, you still customize 5 of your items. It is $55.95 a quarter. If you pay for an annual upfront, it brings it down to $199.98. I've never seen it, so let's get inside and check it out. When we open it up, it says Beautiful Ladies Empowerment Unity, which is what Blue stands for. It's heavenly, but then the blue is BLEU, and that is what it stands for. We have our paperwork that will tell us about what we have inside. Ooh, a pretty little flower sitting right on top. Actually, let me show you because it looked so cute sitting there. How sweet is that? And when we get it open, that is what it looks like. We're gonna dive right in. This is new to me. I know there will be 6 to 7 products. It'll be beauty, home decor, electronics, all of the things because it's a lifestyle box. And I know that she works with women-owned businesses to also feature them in the box. And I was just looking at my notes and I see that I misspoke. You don't get 10% off your first box. You get $10 off your first box. So $10 off your first box. Let's see what the paperwork says. This is the spring box. And on the inside, it just shows you, I think, everything that you chose. First on top, I have this cute pouch. It says Infinity Living. That's always good. Oh, that's pretty. Is it a bracelet? It feels like leather. It's gonna look really posh. I love the feel of that. And it says this came out of the jewelry category, so I guess she does categories. Honestly, I'm not sure if they're the same each season, but this season we had electronic, beauty, body care, jewelry, home decor. So I guess you choose from each one of those customizations which item you want. And then bath and body. And then if you are an annual member, there's a surprise gift. Back to this. Look how pretty that is. It says Infinity Link Collection. The Infinity Links collection is our original sleek and understated bracelets. The bracelet adds a touch of elegance whilst doubling as a cable for your smartphone and devices. A true combination of fashion and function. Using the Infinity Link bracelet is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Use either a power bank or a laptop or even a wall outlet to plug your cable into when charging your devices. Shut up. I don't even know what that means. I don't understand. So, I will admit, I don't completely. Okay, that looks like something that I put in my iPad or my iPhone. I'm not sure about this end. So is that a USB-C? So this will go into my... Luckily, my husband will know what to do with this. What a fun and modern idea. That is so cool. And as soon as I work out what it does, I'm doing it. So that is what that looks like. And either my husband or better yet, one of my grandkids, because you know, the kids know everything tech. I'll be using this. Oh, and it has a $24.99 value. Reaching in next, I have something very nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. Ooh, and then inside the bubble wrap, it's also wrapped in more. It feels like it might be a dish. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's a nice pottery piece. Oh, I bet it's for your spoons when you're cooking to set on the stove. How gorgeous is that? I love that. Totally gonna use that. That will look so nice with the blue in it, with my dishes, which are gray. We used to go up into the Finger Lakes. I have an aunt who actually is about my age, but she has a place up there and we would go and vacation up there and do all the wineries. All of that to say, there was a potter up there that did something that looked very similar to that, and I have a couple of their pieces, so this will be perfect. This was the home decor category, and it is a spoon rest utensil holder. What a stunning spoon rest. I agree. This generously sized hand-thrown piece in our beautiful blue-green glaze will make any kitchen instantly brighter. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it's also dishwasher safe, food grade, non-toxic, and lead-free. It's perfect for the countertop or stove, and it's sure to become a conversation starter in your home. If you didn't choose this, I think I'm starting to get the feel of how this book works now. You could have chosen salad spoons, and they are really pretty wooden salad spoons. With the jewelry, if you didn't choose the bracelet, you could have chosen some gold-plated half hoop earrings that are also very pretty. Next out, I have, ooh, what does that say? It's an under eye hydrogel. Let's look in the book. I think it might say Soda Facero. I will show you guys. There we go. I was gonna say, I don't know if I can get it across. And it is an under eye hydrogel. Fight fine lines and wrinkles with Hydra Eye Gel. A unique combination of powerful antioxidants, caffeine, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid that work together to refresh, moisturize, and deeply nourish the thin under eye skin. Our product is specifically designed to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while providing a brightening effect to help you look and feel your best. Let's see what it feels like. Oh, see how it works on the nose. It doesn't have any scent, I don't think. That's great for under your eyes because fragrance just adds a degree of difficulty as far as my eyes are concerned under the eye. But it comes out, it's just really light gel. Oh, I was gonna rub it between my two fingers. Oh no, there's a little bit there. I was gonna say, it was absorbing so quickly that I almost didn't get it done. I love that. I love my new thing, along with menopausal Kathy. Under my eyes, that's where my face sweats first now. I don't think I've ever sweat there in my entire life, but I do now. So a light, fast absorbing gel instead of a heavy cream is kind of what I need. And yeah, that just absorbed like that. If you didn't choose that, you could have chosen an Ultra Ray Rollerball perfume. And again, if you are a seasonal, you choose 5 categories. I'm not sure which ones they are. And if you are an annual, you choose 6. Reaching in next, we have something wrapped up really well again. This is fun. I love trying new boxes. You guys should let me know if there's anything out there that you've really been wanting to see. Let me know. This is from Discover Me, and it's an orange passion fragrance. Ooh, I wonder fragrance for what? I'm guessing home because of the size of it. I am completely wrong. Body mist. Transform your skincare routine with Orange Passion Body Mist, a refreshing mist that hydrates, revitalizes, and leaves your skin with a healthy glow. The ingredients are green tea, water soluble, germabin 2, orange water blossom, lemon, essential oils, polysorbate 80, and gold mica. And this has a $30 value. Did I tell you the value on that eye cream? $13.99. I'm gonna spray this so we can get an idea of the scent. Oh, what a very nice, that was a nice trusty sprayer. Oh, that is very pretty. I like the scent of that a lot, Orange Passion. Wow, I am super impressed with that. That smells lovely. I have to tell you how many of our items in I am right now. I love this because they're all different. You know, we see a lot of the same. This is very different. Next out, we have a Shades of Luminous Trishelle. I think it probably is gonna be an eyeshadow palette if I'm guessing. As I open this, I can tell you the other item in this category was the Pink Diamond Lip Gloss Duo Daria Creamy Crayon Berry. Ooh, that is very pretty. They're all very shiny. It's like a highlighter palette. Those are gorgeous. I am working a highlighter palette right now, my Hourglass. Plus I have that Cover FX that I showed you guys during the FabFitFun spoiler. So I'm gonna cover this right back up so I can put it aside for a giveaway because it seems like it's a wide range of colors. So I think a lot of people could use that. Very pretty. Next out, I have a very big and very heavy box from Cove. I don't know what this is. Okay, it is a Commuter 2 Bluetooth stereo speaker system. Oh my gosh. It is really heavy and sturdy. This could not have been inexpensive to ship, which by the way, I think I made the note, free shipping? Yes, free shipping in the US. The Bluetooth stereo speaker system's 360 surrounding stereo sound ensures optimal sound for your environment. When the party's over, use it as a speakerphone. Paired with a smartphone, the speaker's built-in mic lets you go back to business. It says it has 5+ hours of playtime and is Bluetooth 5.0, if that means something to you guys. There is a packet on top. I imagine that probably has our pluggy-any goodies. And it is black I love that because it will fit with any decor. It says Cove on top, and it just looks like a Bluetooth speaker. It's got, I was gonna say, I just really risked it there. It had 2 sets of turn it up, turn it down, so I suspected they came apart. So you have 2, so it's a whole system. Let's see how easily I can get it back together. Are you cheering out there? Are people clapping at how well I did that? So it has a little, although I don't know where you would take it on just that. It is very heavy. The paperwork says electronic category, Cove Commuter 2 split Bluetooth speaker. Commuter 2 has a water resistant rating of IPX7, which means it's great next to the hot tub, but not in it. The 360-degree surrounding stereo sound ensures optimal sound for your environment. When the party's over, use this as a speakerphone. It connects to smartphones, tablets, and computer via Bluetooth 5. Powerful subwoofer delivers superior sound quality, operates up to 7 hours on a single battery charge. Speaker can be used up to 33 feet away from the mobile device or computer and play without interruption. And the color may vary depending on availability. I got the black one. The value, $242. I don't know if I can get you the, here, let me try and show you the, oh, there we go, the directionality and that kind of thing. And again, this is a Cove. That's wicked impressive. I started to say what a lovely box, but realized when my box fell on the ground, something came out of it. And this is the surprise gift for annual members. So if you're an annual member, you will have a surprise gift. And this is the Honey Glow Golden Rose Nail Serum. A nail serum as strong as gold and soft as petals. An organic plant-based nail serum designed to repair and strengthen nails, enhance rapid growth, soften cracked cuticles, and hangnails. I love that. I love nail things. So it hasn't pushed up yet. This is like one of those lippies. Oop, met resistance. Can you guys see there's a little dot coming out of the top? I was just gonna do it. My nails could use the love for sure. Not wasting the serum. Wow, did you guys see just that little dot that had come up? That was enough to do all 10 of my nails. It smells, the scent is floral-ish. Is it lavender? I think kind of lavendery. It smells really good. And I just put, I don't know if you guys can tell, right around the cuticles, I just swiped around it. When I do this, I tend to leave it for a little while and let it absorb in as much as it can, and then I rub it into my entire nail bed. That was our first Heavenly Blue box. That was the spring box. And look, on the back it shows you, well, it shows you on the front too. It shows you the products. Is this what I got? These are the pretty spoons I was talking about. What else did they get that was different? There's the little lippy. Fun choices. We'll put the link below, and again with Heavenly Blue 10, you will get $10 off your first box. The blue is BLEU because it stands for Beautiful Ladies Empowerment and Unity. And I want to thank them for sending this over. It's so fun to have a new box on the channel. Let me know below what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.